Hi guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to find and use inverted filter in TikTok. So please watch the full video. So let's get started. Open TikTok. Now on plus icon to start recording your video. Now tap on effects option. In the trending option you will see, swipe it down and this one is the inverted filter. Tap on this. If you did not find inverted filter here, you should have to update your TikTok app in Google Play Store or the App Store if you are using iOS. So I have tap on this. Now tap on the screen. It will invert the image. Now when you start recording, then keep tapping on the screen, so it will do this. So I hope you will like this video, so please give a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, goodbye.